morning students. Today I will going to teach about the topic fertilization. What is fertilization? Do you know? The fusion of male and female gamete, that is known as fertilization. In angiosperm, the fertilization is double fertilizations. Now I tell you the events of double fertilizations in angiosperm. First event is pollen on the stigma. The germination of pollen to form the pollen tube in the stigma. The stigma is two types. One is wet stigma. Another one is dry stigma. Wet stigma meaning the stigma is having stigmatic fluid, and dry stigma meaning the stigma is having without having fluid. So you have to tell wet stigma and dry stigma. And then next event, pollen in the style. In the style, that is depend upon the style type. The style is three types. First one, hollow style. Second one, solid style. And third one, semi-solid style. First one hollow style, and second one solid style, and third one semi-solid style. And first one is hollow style, is commonly found in monocot plants. It's commonly found in monocot plants. The monocot plant style, the style stigma that are having a single glandular cells. The single glandular canal cells. In the starting stigma to the base of the style, that are having a single glandular canal cells or transmitting tissue. The transmitting cell secreted to the mucilaginous substance. So the mucilaginous substance, it will be grow to EC on the pollen tube. So you have to tell the hollow style is another name, open type. Open type. Next one, solid style. It is commonly found in dicot plants. It is the transmitted tissue is highly specialized, elongated cells to the stigma in the base of the style. So it very thick arrangement. So the pollen tube grow to the inner cell spaces of the transmitting cell. Now you have to say tissue. Transmitting tissue. You are understand for the difference to the hollow and the solid? Hollow meaning single layer of transmitted cells is having, and the solid style multi. So you have to call transmitting tissue. So the solid style another name is closed type. Are you understand clear for that? Okay. The next one semi-solid. It is intermediate between open and close. Intermediate between open and close. Okay. Then third events of fertilization in angiosperm plant. Entry of pollen tube into the ovule. Entry of pollen tube into the ovule. This is for the third event of fertilization in angiosperm plant. That is 3 types of entry to the ovule. One is chromogamy. Chromogamy. And third one is salazar gamy. Third one is mesogamy. Sorry, progamy, salazogamy and mesogamy. Progamy, that meaning clear to understand, please. Progamy, when the pollen grain entry to the micropylar end. This is for in micro. In previous lessons you are studying, this is for in micropylar end. In the micropylar end, the pollen tube entry to the ovule, that is known as progamy. Understand? And then salazogamy, this is for in salazar end. This is for in salazar end. In the pollen tube entry to the salazar end, that is known as salazogamy. Okay, it's clear? Salazogamy. And then mesogamy, the pollen tube entry into the integument. That is known as mesogamy. Progamy, entry to the micropylar end. Salazogamy, the pollen tube entry to the salazar end. And the mesogamy, the pollen tube entry to the integument. That is known as mesogamy. This is for entry of pollen tube into the ovule. And in fourth event, double fertilization. And triple fusion. Double fertilization and triple fusion. What is double fertilization? Yes, the two male gamete involved to the fertilization, that is double fertilization. In the two male gamete involved to the fertilization, that is known as double fertilization. In the pollen tube, two male gametes are having. Yes or no? Yes, it's clear. First fusion, a plus one male gamete to form zygote. That is embryo. It's clear for you? Egg plus first male gamete, one male gamete involved to fuse to the formation of zygote, that is known as fertilization. This is what first male gamete fusion. And the next one, polar nuclei and second male gamete fused to produce endosperm. That is, you notice this is what these are having two nuclei. Okay, this is for in each single nucleus. So 1n plus polar nuclei 2n to fuse 3n. So you have to tell triple fusion. Triple fusion. Two male gametes are involved to the fertilization, that is known as double fertilization. Isn't it? This is for in double fertilization and this is for in triple fusion. I will tell one simple formula, then you will understand it clearly. One male gamete fusion egg, that is formed to the embryo. Another male gamete plus polar nuclei produce endosperm. Since the two male gamete involved to the fertilization, that is known as double fertilization.